Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a trident to fly in Minecraft Pocket Edition. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Now the reason I haven't been uploading recently was because I was thinking of new ideas. So yeah, like what I mean is I've been thinking of new ideas to do stuff. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoy this video and let's go. So the first thing you're gonna need, this is how to fly with trident without rain. Basically, rain, all you need is a trident with riptide, and you can just like hold down like you usually do to trident and shoot it. But right now we are going to do it with no rain, and I'm gonna show you with rain just so you know a little better chance. Okay, so what you're gonna do with no rain, dig like a little hole, probably 3 or 4 blocks preferred, and then make sure you fill it with water. And if you hear any background noises, don't mind that. Oh, geez. Let me get some blocks actually. Okay, so I just did that actually. Anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill it up. Just like all the way. So this water's blocking it, that's fine. Okay, so now that I fill it up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually enchant you're just gonna fill it without any enchantments. So put an anvil down, you're going to enchant it with some Unbreaking 3. Some Loyalty 3, which makes it come back to you so you don't have to actually get it. And then some Riptide, which makes the whole thing, fly. Why can't I add Riptide to this? Why can't I add Riptide to this? Oh, okay, wait, guys. So you actually can't have loyalty for this, which means you can't have. Oh, okay. So guys, I actually made a mistake. You don't actually have to have loyalty. Never mind. You just hold it. I forgot. It's not. I'm very, very dumb right now. I forgot, besides the real trident, besides the trident without any enchantments, you actually don't have to have loyalty because you're just holding your hands. So I made a big mistake. So basically, all you're gonna need is actually Riptide 3. That's the only thing you're going to need for Unbreaking and stuff. You might guess, but Riptide. I don't think you can add Unbreaking. I don't think you can add Unbreaking 2 or just Unbreaking. Whatever, so okay, never mind. It worked. So yeah, guys, now that we have our enchanted trident, so the only thing we have on it is Riptide. I don't think you can add Unbreaking. Let me just see real quick. You might not be able to do that though. No. Okay, so you can only add Riptide to it to make it fly, and yeah. So what we're gonna do, put everything away. And, well, not everything yet. I'm going to show you right now how to do this real quick. And then I'll enchant my boots so, in survival in case I fall. And, yeah. So, yeah. The only thing you're going to need is some golden apples, some diamond boots with feathers falling for, and then trident with Riptide. So, yeah. Okay. Basically, all you're going to do is hold it like you would do and let go of it, and you will fly. Just like this. Boom. And you're flying. This is not a mod, by the way. This actually works. I'll show you in survival now. And if you want to do it in survival, I do prefer you actually use some boots with the enchantment on it. So okay. Just do that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Now put these on. Boom, boom, boom. Go into survival, and I'll show you how this works, and then I'll show you how this works in the rain. So yeah, and hopefully I don't die, because that'll be pretty embarrassing. But I'm pretty good at Minecraft, so I don't think I'll actually die. So it's taking okay. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now we're in survival, and I did put my boots on already, so I'm gonna have to have him get out. Take it out.
Ow.
Okay, there we go. Now, I'm gonna eat a enchanted apple. And basically all you gotta do is hold it. I mean, it's literally that simple. Boom. And boom, we literally didn't die. And yeah, guys, if you want to do it, okay, now I'm going to show you in rain. Now, all you have to do is, stand on the ground and it'll be rain. Weather, rain, and boom, now that's going to rain. Now, hold on the ground, and boom, you can shoot like literally wherever you want. You can keep going up for a little bit. But yeah, guys, basically it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share to my channel so you never miss a video. And I will see you later. Peace.